Hey guys, Eric Sue here. Hope you're doing well. I'm back in my kitchen today because I got something special to share with you, and it's a ham that's underneath this aluminum foil, so stay tuned. Alright you guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I know you guys will learn a lot about this, so remember to smash the like button, subscribe button, and notification button so you can get future videos just like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I know you guys will enjoy this one as well. So this is a traditional dish that is being made in the Puerto Rican culture for some time. And I just wanted to share with you how I made it, and so that if you guys wanted to, you can too. So let's get started. There are mainly 5 ingredients that I use to make this ham, okay? And let me go ahead and show you the final product first, and then I'll tell you how we made it, okay? Now this one right here has been in the refrigerator marinating overnight, okay? And as you can see, I'll take a close up here, okay? We got pineapples and maraschino cherries on toothpicks in the ham itself, okay? There's a liquid down in here, and I'm going to tell you how we made that. But this ham here is about 7 pounds, and so you can get something similar, and it's going to determine how long you guys cook it too. So this is about 7-8 pounds approximately, if I remember correctly. And you got your pineapple slices, and it's got the cherries stuck in with toothpicks. And let me just share with you how we made this marinade. So let me go ahead and go through the step-by-steps on how to construct this ham, okay? So first step is to go ahead and get the juices from the pineapples and the maraschino cherries into a bowl, step 1. Step 2, go ahead and put the cloves, ground cloves, into the mixture, so 1/2 teaspoon. And then from there, you put 2 cups of sugars, more or less depending on how sweet you want it, into that mixture. Once you got that mixture all together, set it to the side. Step number 2 is to prepare the ham. We're going to go ahead and slice the ham so that it has crevices for the juice to get into the ham itself, okay? Step 3 is go ahead and take that juice. Once you've cut your ham, put that juice over the top, okay? Go ahead and coat the whole thing with all the juice from the pineapple and the maraschino cherries. Now next step after that, step 4, is go ahead and put the pineapples on top. Take all the pineapples from the can and put it on. You can use all of them, or you don't have to use them all. Most people use them all, right? Put them on top of the ham using toothpicks, right? Next, you can take your cherries and do the same things in between the pineapples. In the whole part, you put the cherries with toothpicks, okay? Now you can see that that's what happened here, and that's what yours will look like as well. Finally, we took the whole cloves and we placed them into the pineapple and the ham itself. You can see these brown dots right here are the ground cloves, okay? And so once you have all that done, then you are ready to cover it and marinate this thing overnight, okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and take the juices before we put it in, and just cover it up again just one more time before we put it in there. We're going to cover this up, and we're going to put it into the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. Now we're going to check it in about 30 minutes in, and then we're going to take the sauce and pour it over the top of the ham a little bit more so it doesn't dry out. Now we're going to go for about an hour at this temperature. Now depending on your oven, it can be less or it can be more depending on your oven. So just keep an eye on the ham. And then at about an hour, we're going to go another 20 minutes at 320. And then at an hour and 20 minutes or so, we're going to bump the temperature up to 350 for another 20 minutes or so. You got to keep your eye on it so it doesn't burn while it's in the oven. So depending on your oven, again, just check to see how it's developing, okay? So and basically that's it. We're going to show you at the end what it looks like, but this is what it looks like at the beginning, and it tastes great. We've made it before the past, and now I'm just recording it for you guys so that you guys can take this recipe and make your own. And if you do make your own, go ahead, comment below and let me know how it goes, right? So once again, this is a ham with pineapple and maraschino cherries, and Puerto Rican style. Alright, so hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys make it. And if you guys like this video, remember to smash the like button, the subscribe button, and notification button so you can get future videos just like this. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.